वन्दे सात्वतवार्ता विभूषणम् अमरकृत्युत्सारणम् प्रबुद्धं लोकजीवनम् प्रणाय प्रवत्ते यागदीपनम् वन्दे जीवनम् सत्पुरुषम्।
প্রভাত যামিনী উদিত দিনমণি ও সারানি হাসি মুখে চাই রে। প্রভাত যামিনী উদিত দিনমণি ও সারানি হাসি মুখে চাই রে। জাগিবি হগ সব তুলি নানা কলরব, জাগিবি হগ সব তুলি নানা কলরব। রাধা 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 স্বামী গাই রে, রাধা 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 স্বামী গাই রে। প্রভাত যামিনী উদিত দিনমণি ও সারানি হাসি মুখে চাই রে। নবীন বৃন্দাবনে তুলসী কাননে, নবীন বৃন্দাবনে তুলসী কাননে ভ্রমরী রাধা স্বামী গাই রে, ভ্রমরী রাধা স্বামী গাই রে। প্রভাত যামিনী উদিত দিনমণি ও সারানি হাসি মুখে চাই রে। সেই সে মধুর গান বাঁশিতে তলিয়ে ত্রাণ, সেই সে মধুর গান বাঁশিতে তলিয়ে ত্রাণ। আপনি যে রাধা স্বামী গাও রে, আপনি যে রাধা স্বামী গাও রে। প্রভাত যামিনী উদিত দিনমণি ও সারানি হাসি মুখে চাই রে। যে নামে নন্দের কানু সেদেছিল মোহন বেনু, যে নামে নন্দের কানু সেদেছিল মোহন বেনু। সেই রাধা রাধা নাম গাও রে, সেই রাধা রাধা নাম গাও রে। প্রভাত যামিনী উদিত দিনমণি ও সারানি হাসি মুখে চাই রে। আজি মধু জাগরণ শুনো সবে নরগণ, আজি মধু জাগরণ শুনো সবে নরগণ। জয় জয় রাধা স্বামী গাও রে, জয় জয় রাধা স্বামী গাও রে। প্রভাত যামিনী উদিত দিনমণি ও সারানি হাসি মুখে চাই রে। রাধা স্বামী গুণ গানে আনন্দ বাড়িবে প্রাণে, রাধা স্বামী গুণ গানে আনন্দ বাড়িবে প্রাণে। চরমে পরম গতি হই রে, চরমে পরম গতি হই রে। প্রভাত যামিনী উদিত দিনমণি ও উষারানী হাসি মুখে চাই রে, রোগ সুগ বেদি জড়া দূরে পালাবে তারা, রোগ সুগ বেদি জড়া দূরে পালাবে তারা, আনন্দে রাধা স্বামী গাও রে, আনন্দে রাধা স্বামী গাও রে, প্রভাত যামিনী উদিত দিনমণি, উষারানী হাসি মুখে চাই রে, রাধা স্বামী গুণ গানে আনন্দ বাড়িবে প্রাণে, রাধা স্বামী গুণ গানে আনন্দ বাড়িবে প্রাণে, চরমে পরম গতি হই রে, চরমে পরম গতি হই রে, প্রভাত যামিনী উদিত দিনমণি, উষারানী হাসি মুখে চাই রে, জয় রাধা স্বামী, 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 জয় জয় রাধা স্বামী গাও রে, 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 প্রভাত যামিনী উদিত দিনমণি, উষারানী হাসি মুখে চাই রে, প্রভাত যামিনী উদিত দিনমণি, উষারানী হাসি মুখে চাই রে, উষারানী হাসি মুখে চাই রে, উষারানী হাসি মুখে চাই রে। জয় গুরু।
Hi all, and welcome to the 14th National Satsang UK Congregation virtual. We are going to announce the Janmalagna Ghosana of Param Premaya Sri Sri Thakur Anukula Chandra at 7:05 a.m. UK time on this auspicious day of 134th birth anniversary with Bande Purushottam and Sankhadhwani.
वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमं दे पुरुषोत्तमं
पुरुषोत्तमं वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमं वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमं पुरुषोत्तमं वन्दे 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 पुरुषोत्तमं वन्दे
Bande 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 Bande
বন্দে পুরুষোত্তমম 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 वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमम् वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमम् वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमम् वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमम् वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमम्
वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमं 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 वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमं
Bande
पुरुषोत्तमं वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमं वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमं वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमं वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमं वन्दे पुरुषोत्तमं वन्दे 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 उत्तमं उत्तमं वन्दे
वन्दे पुरुषोत्तम वन्दे वन्दे पुरुषोत्तम वन्दे पुरुषोत्तम
Bande Vande Purushottam Vande Purushottam Vande Purushottam
वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं वंदे पुरुषोत्तमं
The degenerations of humanity began at the moment when the unseen God was made infinity and ignoring the seers, the worship of their saying began. O mankind, if you desire to invoke your good, forget sectarian conflict. Be regardful to all the past prophet. Be attached to your living master of God, and take only those who love him as your own, because all the past prophets are the consummated in the divine man of the present. First of all, we must wage war on the weakness. We must be bold and brave, for weakness is sign in credit, derive it away at once. This depressing, blood-sucking vampire, say you are bold. The offspring of mighty, believe you are a son of Father the Supreme. Before all else, be daring, be sincere, then it is clear you have the right to entry the kingdom of heaven. With the least weakness, you cannot be truly sincere, and so long as your thought and words do not agree, the dot within shall not be touched. Santi, Santi. Bande. Joy.
वन्दे लोकतिलकं सत्ततवार्तविभूषणं अमरकृत्यस्तारणं प्रबुद्धलोकजीवनं प्रमत्तजागतिवरं वन्दे जीवनं सत्पुरुष परम दयाल परम प्रेममय श्री श्री ठाकुर के चरण में मेरा कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। परम आराध्या जगत जननी श्री श्री बड़मा के चरण में मेरा कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। परम पूज्य पाद श्री श्री बरदा के चरण में मेरा कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। परम पूज्य पाद आचार्य देव श्री श्री दादा के चरण में मेरा कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। परम पूज्य पाद श्री श्री बाबाईदा के चरण में मेरा कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। And my pranam at the lotus feet of all the Gurujans in Thakur family. To all my friends in Satsang UK and Europe and all around the world, to all my Guru brothers, Guru mothers, young and little children, and all the Satsang loving friends, to all of you, my Ranandit Jai Guru. Supravat, Subha Sakal, and very good morning to all of you. I wish you all are well and healthy. Myself, Amiyavai, on behalf of Satsang UK, welcome you all to join us to celebrate holy 134th birth anniversary of our love Lord Param Dayal Sri Sri Thakur Anukulchand. The Punya Avirbhav of Sri Sri Thakur, our love Lord, the Paramadayal Yoga Purushottam, was born in undivided India, in the present day Bangladesh, in the Pabna district, Himayatpur village, Bangla 1295 साल 30 भद्र शुभ शुक्ला ताल नवमी तिथि, English in the year 1888, 14 September, Shukrawar, Friday, 7:05 in the morning. To the parents, Father Sri Shivachandra Chakravarti, Mata, Mother Sri Manmohini Devi. That is when our loved Lord Yoga Purushottam Paramatma was born on this mortal world. We are so fortunate and blessed to adhere to this supreme ideal and accepted him as our living idol in our journey of life. To celebrate his holy birth anniversary, we are starting this auspicious day with a morning satsang. To start with the day, we have Puja Mishrama to offer a soulful bhajan at the lotus feet of Sri Sri Thakur.
Jai Guru all. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. My warm wishes to each and everyone for celebrating 134th birth anniversary of Sri Sri Thakur. Pray to the lotus feet of Sri Sri Thakur by offering this bhajan. Daya karo Prabhu Deen Sahara. Daya karo Prabhu Deen Sahara. Janam janam रहूं दास तुम्हारा. दया करो प्रभु दीन सहारा. दया करो प्रभु दीन सहारा. जन्म जन्म रहूं दास तुम्हारा. अभय चरण का ध्यान करे मन. अभय चरण का ध्यान करे मन, निश दिन हर पल नाम तुम्हारा। जीवन कारण तुम ही हो, पालन पूरण तुम ही हो। जीवन कारण तुम ही हो, पालन पूरण तुम ही हो। दया करो प्रभु दीन सहारा, दया करो प्रभु दीन सहारा। जन्म जन्म रहूं दास तुम्हारा। माया जगत में कर्म का फेरा, आए सुख दुख चाहे अंधेरा। माया जगत में कर्म का फेरा, आए सुख दुख चाहे अंधेरा। वहन करूं मैं तेरी स्मृति को, वहन करूं मैं तेरी स्मृति को। पान करूं नित अमृत धारा। जीवन कारण तुम ही हो, पालन पूरण तुम ही हो। जीवन कारण तुम ही हो, पालन पूरण तुम ही हो। दया करो प्रभु दीन सहारा, दया करो प्रभु दीन सहारा। जन्म जन्म रहूं दास तुम्हारा। टूट गया अब बाधा बंधन, दूर हुए सब शंका वेदन। टूट गया अब बाधा बंधन, दूर हुई सब शंका वेदन। तेरे चलन से चलते हैं जब हम, तेरे चलन से चलते हैं जब हम। उज्जवल करता जीवन हमारा। जीवन कारण तुम ही हो, पालन पूरण तुम ही हो। जीवन कारण तुम ही हो, पालन पूरण तुम ही हो। दया करो प्रभु दीन सहारा, दया करो प्रभु दीन सहारा। जन्म जन्म रहूं दास तुम्हारा। परम पिता मेरे जीवन स्वामी, जगतपति है परम नामी। परम पिता मेरे जीवन स्वामी, जगत पिता है परम नामी। तेरा चरण ही परम धाम है, तेरा चरण ही परम धाम है। तुमसे ही चेतन ये जग सारा। जीवन कारण तुम ही हो, पालन पूरण तुम ही हो। जीवन कारण तुम ही हो, पालन पूरण तुम ही हो। दया करो प्रभु दीन सहारा, दया करो प्रभु दीन सहारा। जन्म जन्म रहूं दास तुम्हारा। अभय चरण का ध्यान करे मन, अभय चरण का ध्यान करे मन। निश दिन हर पल नाम तुम्हारा। जीवन कारण तुम ही हो, पालन पूरण तुम ही हो। जीवन कारण तुम ही हो, पालन पूरण तुम ही हो। जीवन कारण तुम ही हो, पालन पूरण तुम ही हो। जय गुरु।
So nice, ma. जीवन कारण तुम ही हो, पालन पूरण तुम ही हो. What a nice offering in the start of the morning. So beautiful, so soothing voice, ma. So nice offering at the lotus feet of Sri Sri Dayal Thakur. Such a nice and soulful bhajan. I pray at his lotus feet for yours and your family's well-being. Thank you, ma. Thank you for this offering, Joy Guru. So in this session, I would take you through a little glimpses of Sri Sri Thakur when he was newly born. When Sri Sri Thakur was 9 months old, traditionally in our Hindu family, Mata Manmohini Devi organized Annaprasana for little Anukul. So little Anukul was singing and dancing all around and was so amused. No one knows what is going on, but little Anukul knows. He is the beginning and he is the end. He is the Adi and he is the Ant. So moving forward, we have another version. Our next version will be offered by Rajashree Rai from London.
Perform one Bengali version written by Acharya C.C. Dada. তোমার হয়ে নিত্য সাথী যেন প্রভু তোমার থাকি তোমার হয়ে নিত্য সাথী যেন প্রভু তোমার থাকি দ্বন্দ্ব দ্বিধা মান অভিমান অবাধ সমর্পণে দ্বন্দ্ব দ্বিধা মান অভিমান অবাধ সমর্পণে স্বার্থ কোথায় ভরবে জীবন স্বার্থ কোথায় ভরবে জীবন তোমার চরণে তোমার হয়ে নিত্য সাথী যেন প্রভু তোমার থাকি তোমার হয়ে নিত্য সাথী যেন প্রভু তোমার থাকি মায়ার ফাঁদের কঠিন ধাঁধা যেন না হয় পথের বাধা মায়ার ফাঁদের কঠিন ধাঁধা যেন না হয় পথের বাধা মন যেন ধায় অবাধ হয়ে মন যেন ধায় অবাধ হয়ে সদাই তোমার পানে তো তোমার হয়ে নিত্য সাথী যেন প্রভু তোমার থাকি তোমার হয়ে নিত্য সাথী যেন প্রভু তোমার থাকি জানি তোমায় বাসলে ভালো সেই পাই তোমার আলো আলো জানি তোমায় বাসলে ভালো সেই পাই তোমার আলো আলো তোমার প্রভু করলে সেবা তোমার প্রভু করলে সেবা মুক্তি মেলে এই জীবনে তোমার হয়ে নিত্য সাথী যেন প্রভু তোমার থাকি তোমার হয়ে নিত্য সাথী যেন প্রভু তোমার থাকি পরম প্রেমী বিশ্বপতি সব গতির তুমি গতি পরম প্রেমী বিশ্বপতি সব গতির তুমি গতি তোমার হওয়ার দাও সুমতি তোমার হওয়ার দাও সুমতি ঠাঁই যেন পাইছি চরণে তোমার হয়ে নিত্য সাথী যেন প্রভু তোমার থাকি তোমার হয়ে নিত্য সাথী যেন প্রভু তোমার থাকি দ্বন্দ্ব দ্বিধা মান অভিমান অবাধ সমর্পণে দ্বন্দ্ব দ্বিধা মান অভিমান অবাধ সমর্পণে সার্থকতায় ভরবে জীবন, সার্থকতায় ভরবে জীবন তোমার চরণে, তোমার হয়ে নিত্য সাথী যেন প্রভু তোমার থাকি, তোমার হয়ে নিত্য সাথী যেন প্রভু তোমার থাকি, তোমার হয়ে নিত্য সাথী যেন প্রভু তোমার থাকি। জয় গুরু।
Jai Guru Rashida. Wonderful. Such a nice offering. Soulful. It is lotus feet. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. I wish and pray it is lotus feet for your rest of pranaya life. Thank you, Dada. When little Anukul was around 10 months old, Mata Manmohini Devi, along with little Anukul, visited one of their family friends' house, Umesh Chandra Dasi. Umesh Chandra Dasi is a very Nashtik, Nishthavan Brahman. He used to worship Gopal Devji, Sri Gopal Devji, Lord Krishna, every day. So little Anukul went and sat beside him when Umesh Chandra Dasi was offering puja. So Umesh Chandra Dasi offered bhog and went on for Nam and Dhyan and chanting and meditation. Meanwhile, after a few minutes in the meditation, he suddenly woken up with a ton noise, and what he saw in front of his eyes, he could not believe that it was little Anukul has replaced Gopal Devji's idol and sat in his place. Umesh Chandra Dasi was very surprised to see that. Even though he was little annoyed, but at the same time, he was surprised to see that roof of Sri Sri Thakur or little Anukul. And hearing the noise, hearing the sound, Mata Manmohini Devi rushed in and found little Anukul was sitting at the place of Gopal Devji, his place. She got angry and pulled little Anukul from the Vigrah's place. What you are doing? You should not do this. You are always disturbing him in the puja. Then little Anukul closed his eyes and softly said, Ma, ami ki korbo? He praised me. He only calls me. O amake dake keno? He praised me. He calls me. Though Mata Manmohini Devi could not have understood, but little Anukul knows what he means, because he is the Paramatma, Param Brahma. He is the Supreme, he is the Satya, he is the Shashwat, he is the Supreme living idol. So after listening to beautiful versions, let us move to the Ishtoalachana. So the Ishtoalachana is going to be from our SPR, Niharanjan Mishra, from Ilford, London. परम प्रभु श्री श्री ठाकुर को चंदन विश्व कल्याण में विश्व परम पूज्य फादर से बढ़ते चरण कट कट प्रणाम परम पूज्य आचार्य देवोच्च Jai Guru everyone, and from on behalf of Satsang UK, I am welcoming everyone from the world that gives some time in your busy schedule to join this Utsav to celebrate our love Lord 134th birth anniversary. These days, when Utsav came, we suddenly every single person from UK is activated and working day and night, and that's give lot of opportunity to remember Thakur day and night, which usually we are busy in our work schedule. I especially remember 11 years before Pujana Vinkida came to UK to build the base for all of us to start thinking about Thakur. And 6 years before, when Pujana Sipaida came and changed our mind completely, and we start feeling our Thakur inside our heart. From that day, we are progressing day by day. And from last 2 years, when pandemic came, it was very serious for many people, including me. But this pandemic bless all of us in Satsang UK especially. I'm just going to share how we progress in last 2 years as together as Satsang UK and together feeling Thakur in our life. I remember during March when suddenly UK stopped, we all forced to work in home. That's a change of life. We never do that working from home for whole 2 years. We are thought it's maybe 1 month or 2 months, but it's increased. And every day when you open the channel or news and everywhere, people are dying. People are dying and nobody know how to make them back. That was a very, very time. But we decided that let's do mass prayer for all of us. So we started our evening prayer. And evening prayer all together at the same time for the human being, for the mankind, to Thakur, to please save all of us. And that prayer start, and we all joining in the same time. And that give a motivation and boost to ourselves who stuck in home from many days. And after prayer, evening prayer started, we do Nivedan to Pujana Sipaida that we are starting evening prayer and we'll do read Satyanusaran after prayer. Immediately, Pujana Sipaida said, can we do that everyone in Satsang UK share the feeling of Thakur in front of everyone, how they feel, even though they connect to Thakur just now, but how they feel Thakur in their life. And we do the same thing. We all, and before that, we only few people in UK saying about Thakur. And suddenly, every single one, when they share their experience, share their feeling about Thakur, I feel myself, I didn't know Thakur much. Not a single, I didn't know much about. They have a huge experience in their life. Few people say about Thakur from a number of days, like a series. They have a lot of experience. And what we just sit down in home and start thinking what we are, this pandemic really helpful for us. And people start motivating day by day and joining every day evening prayer. Then we decided let's do morning prayer also. And when we start morning prayer and we do meditation for 5 minutes, then that eventually increasing 1 minute each day. And I think very few
I think within 1 or 2 months, we reach 40 minutes of meditation. I think the day when we reach 40 minutes, I think Acharya Dev, Sri Dada from the Natmandap asked Pujana Vavaida, can you find how the satsang in UK are doing now? Then Pujana Vavaida called and tried to find out. Then we explained that we all Guru Bhais are fine here. We are doing morning and evening prayer. We also reached our meditation session 40 minutes and everybody is doing meditation now. Almost reached 40 minutes. Vavaida is very, very, very happy. And immediately Vavaida explained to Acharya Dev that satsang UK people doing prayer and do the meditation for 40 minutes. Every single person is doing 40-minute meditation. And before that, the Natmandap situation is very serious, very concerned about the people over the world. And when Vavaida explained about this thing to Acharya Dev, and Acharya Dev give a smile, and that changed the environment of Natmandap. I got to know that everybody is happy because Acharya Dev is happy. That's our goal. That's our life goal. If you give a smile to Acharya Dev Sri Dada in one smile in your life, that's make your life successful. That makes the goal of my life successful. I think that day I realized, yes, we are in the right track. And that eventually nowadays we are 2 hours meditation. And during pandemic, we start reading books, number of books. And many books are written in Bengali. Many Guru Bhai who know Bengali language, they translate for all of us and explain in such a way that we feeling about Thakur every single day. Many information about Thakur we never know. We start learning. And that give a huge boost for Satsang UK. Many people has experience. I never have experience. I have only spent time Gurujan few days. That's my experience. And suddenly this year and in April, when my mom was in ICU, my dad called in the morning that your mom in ICU. And immediately me and my brother traveled to India without thought about any coronavirus. When I talked to Pujana Sipada, Sipada said, your mom gave you everything. This is the time to stand with her. And we reached there with the grace of Acharya Dev, with the grace of Gurujan, my mom back from ICU. It's a blessing day for all of us. And that time India coronavirus started and everybody is stuck in India. Even me and my brother stuck. We are planning to go to India for 2 weeks. But suddenly Pujana Sipada called in. As soon as mom back from ICU, Sipada called and said, go back to UK. Don't stay in India. Go on the next flight. So, and he did not say much about. So when Gurujan say something, we don't think about much. We just do the action because that is the blessing for us. And we start booking the flight and we do the artificial test, which is mandatory for travel. And next morning, we have a flight around evening, and in the morning we got result that I have COVID positive. No symptom at all. I did not feel anything about COVID. And I suddenly think this is maybe report is wrong. and but report is came, my brother has negative, so I was isolated. I did not feel anything, but after 5 days, my taste is gone. Pujana Sipaja is very blessed. On the day from that day, he start contacting every doctor in Odisha, in Bhubaneswar, to give the right medicine, so that I'll be back from that. And after 7 or 8 days, my oxygen level is down. And that time, not a single bed is available in Bhubaneswar. That was a chaos moment. But for me and my family is very normal, because we have Gurujan with us, Thakur with us. So something will become. Because I remember when Sipaja came to UK, he told me, life is not always normal. It will be, hurdles will come. Like humps, when you drive, humps will become to slow down. You don't think that humps is there, I'll back to home. You just slow down your car, little speed, little slow down, then you cover the humps, then you back on track. And it will happen to everybody. Life humps will definitely come, but to overcome that humps, we need the belief on ourselves. We need to believe our Thakur. That Babaja said, between you and me, Pujana Babaja and all of us, is only one difference. He said, there is no other difference. It's only one difference, the belief towards Thakur. He believes Thakur 100%. We believe based on our feeling. And my family believe that, yes, the Hans is coming. We will definitely recover that. My dad is very confident. He is very, he never said. He said, let's do it. Whatever Dada said, let's do it. Bring the medicine, take it. Then after a few days, suddenly the oxygen level is down. With the grace of Thakur, Dr. Sushant Das is able to bring 2 cylinders in the night, 12 o'clock. Because if that cylinder will not reach, I might not survive. And the cylinder is almost whole night is there. Both cylinder is finished. And next day morning, they admit me because one of the patient is back, one bed is vacant, so they admit me. And after that, I was in ICU for 11 days. Before I was going to ICU, Sipada called me, just do the now. Just think about this chakra photo. In the chakra photo, there is Thakur picture. Just think about that and do the now. And I think that is the last I remember very well. And that was a situation when for my family, because in hospital, they are not allowed. My dad is unable to see me that I was alive or not. Only Sipaja keep updating all of us that he's okay. Don't worry. He will be back. He will be fight. I give attention to everyone. Acharya Dev call and give to Sushant, Dr. Sushant Das, that give the energy inside him. Give the energy inside him to survive in this life. When Acharya Dev said about this, Dr. Sushant has no way, because he is not a corona doctor. He also panicked. He also did not sleep whole that 30 days. How to make me back. But he is believed that once Acharya Dev said, then it will be back definitely. He just need to work on it. And they work day and night for me and make me back after 11 days. And after that, I was in oxygen for around another 15 days in hospital. But when I was in hospital, I was thinking that can I go to UK? Because as soon as I removed the mask, I was not able to serve, not able to in control. But it's a blessing that I am able to back to UK and I am explaining about my experience with all of you. It's a blessing. People saying blessing miracle happen. A miracle is just a mirror of ignorance because we do not know. But miracle happen to everyone. And because of that, I was with you all. Because my Thakur is one who never differentiate anyone. He is the one, he loves every single person. Even though we love him or not. Even though we pray him or not. Even though we work for him or not. He has no difference. He always loves. He always loves from the child to the every single person in the earth. And my feeling is that Thakur is holding you tightly. That you don't have any other way to go. You have only one way to love him and love him for lifetime. And spread that love about Thakur to every single person in the earth. And it's our aim that in this life we can do something to give a smile to Thakur, because we do not saw Thakur in our life, but when we saw Acharya Dev in our life, we feel Thakur is like that. If you give a small smile, little bit of smile to him, that makes your life successful. And we all are in that way. And we all doing day by day and night to make that smile to Acharya Dev. I remember when I'm back from hospital, Sipada said, I will break a nariyal today. Because you give a lot of trouble to me, I'll break a nariyal. If possible, I'll break the nariyal in my head. And that's a great, my life back. I'm very fortunate that I'm back. I'm able to spend time with all of you. This is my experience. Thank you, everyone. Jai Guru.
Thank you, Dada, for sharing such a nice experience with all of us. I know you are emotional. We are also very emotional by listening your recent talk time. It is true, his love towards all of us, it is immeasurable, unconditional. He loves everyone. That is true. And thank you for sharing those beautiful time in Satsang UK, what we spent in our last year and our evolution in the pandemic time, how we have grown and evolved. Thank you sharing all those beautiful moments. And I wish your journey, Ishtaprana life, continue with more vigorously. And I pray for your well-being. Thank you, Dada. Thank you for sharing such a beautiful experience. And it is true, that we should put our utmost effort to bring smile on his face, and also to bring smile to our Acharya, to our Pujyapad Acharya Dev. I pray he is watching us from so distance and he's blessing us. So after listening such a wonderful experience from Nirada, let's go for a bhajan, which will be offered by our dear Chiranjeevida. Chiranjeevida, please offer your nivedan.
जय गुरु। इस ठाकुर के रातुल चरण में मेरा कोटि कोटि प्रणाम। दीन दयाल ठाकुर दाता दयार मेरे, प्रिय परम गुरु परम आधार मेरे। दीन दयाल ठाकुर दाता दयार मेरे, प्रिय परम गुरु परम आधार मेरे। मालिक शरण में तेरे तारन पीरन भी आए, ओ मालिक शरण में तेरे तारन पीरन भी आए। जीवन पथ पर केवल सेवक मुझको बनाए। इष्ट सेवा इष्ट कर्म सत्य धर्माधार मेरे। इष्ट सेवा इष्ट कर्म सत्य धर्माधार मेरे। दीन दयाल ठाकुर दाता दयार मेरे, प्रिय परम गुरु परम आधार मेरे। दीनहीन दास तेरा भक्ति निष्ठा बढ़ाओ। दीनहीन दास तेरा भक्ति निष्ठा बढ़ाओ। सतगुरु तुम हो समरथ, ओ सतगुरु तुम हो समरथ। प्राणन भक्त शक्ति जगाओ। पूरन पुरुष दर्द प्राण मूर्त इष्टाधार मेरे। पूरन पुरुष दर्द प्राण मूर्त इष्टाधार मेरे। दीन दयाल ठाकुर दाता दयार मेरे, प्रिय परम गुरु परम आधार मेरे। पुरुषोत्तम जीवन नाथ परम प्रेमी शुभ वर्षी। पुरुषोत्तम जीवन नाथ परम प्रेमी शुभ वर्षी। शासन है विधि विधान, शासन है विधि विधान। परम दयाल समदर्शी। ईश्वर प्रतीक गुरु प्रीति मुखर प्राणाधार। ईश्वर प्रतीक गुरु प्रीति मुखर प्राणाधार। दीन दयाल ठाकुर दाता दयार मेरे प्रिय परम गुरु परम आधार मेरे। दीन दयाल ठाकुर दाता दयार मेरे प्रिय परम गुरु परम आधार मेरे। जय गुरु।
Jai Guru Chiranjeevida. Thank you. Thank you very much for a shortful offering. Thank you. It is, I think it is written by Pujapad Sri Sri Dada, and it is one of my favorite bhajan as well. And it is often been sang in Satsang Deogar. It is such a nice, such a touchy bhajan. Every word of it is so meaningful, so touchy. You have performed excellently. Such a blissful bhajan, Chiranjeevida. Thank you very much for such an excellent offering. I pray at the lotus feet of Sri Sri Thakur for your good health and prosperity in life. Jai Guru. One day, Mata Mohimoni Devi asked little Anukul to come along with her to see a newborn baby in the neighborhood. And then little Anukul said, "Okhane jake ki korbo? What is the point in going there? There is no point." Mata Mohimoni Devi asked, why are you saying so? Ma, the child is not going to live more than 18 days. So there is no point in going there and to see him. Mata Mohimoni Devi got very annoyed and for this unpleasant talk and admonished little Anukul, "You should not speak like this for a newborn." Then little Anukul said, "Ma, ami satya bolechi. I am speaking the truth, Ma." On 18th day, the newborn passed away. These are small little things, little Ballalila of Sri Sri Thakur. Only he knew who he is. Only he knew why he has come to this mortal world. Because he is the Antaryan. He is the Satya and Shashwat. He is the Param Brahma, Paramavatar. He is the Supreme God. He is the Supreme Godhead and our Supreme Idol. So moving on, we'd like to hear another version. And to offer this version with us today is Queen Saikyama from Leeds.
Jai Guru, everyone. Today I'll be singing a Borgit, and I'll offer this on the holy feet of Sri Sri Thakur, Sri Sri Borda, Sri Sri Borma, Sri Sri Acharya Dev Dada. Pave pori hori Koru katuri pranara rakho bimura bihoya bihodhara bihe jara jara জীবন না রহে থুর প্রাণ রাখো বিমূর অথির ধন জন জীবন যৌবন অথির এহো সংসার পুত্র পরিবার হবহি অসাৰ কৰব কাহিৰি সাৰ প্ৰাণ ৰাখবি মোৰ কমল দল জল চিত্ত চঞ্চল থিৰ নুহে তিল এক নাহি ভয়ো ভৱ ভোগে হৰি হৰি পৰম পদ পৰতে প্ৰাণ ৰাখবি মোৰ কহতু শংকৰ এই দুখ সাগৰ পাৰ কৰা ঋষিকেশ তুহু গতি মতি দেহু শ্ৰীপতি তত্ত পন্থ উপদেশ প্ৰাণ ৰাখবি মোৰ প্ৰাণ ৰাখবি মোৰ প্ৰাণ ৰাখবি মোৰ জয় গুৰু
Thank you very much. So soothing, so soulful, such a blissful vision you have offered at his lotus feet. I am pretty sure Sri Sri Thakur would have been very pleased to hear this soothing and nice offering, ma. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for such a nice vision. I pray at his lotus feet for a healthy and successful life of yours. Joy Guru.
Thank you.
Observing the experience shared by our SPR Nihada, it is so touchy, so emotional. And through his jargon, he emphasized the importance of the presence of Sri Sri Thakur in our daily life. So इस सुख दुख के संसार में हम अकेले हैं, छोटा सा जीवन है और हम छोटा सा खुशी और ढूंढते रहते हैं. कभी थोड़ा दुख आता है, हम निराश हो जाते हैं और हताश भी हो जाते हैं कभी कभी. Very natural. But Sri Sri Thakur has emphasized in Satyanusaram, don't worry. Don't worry for these miseries, because desireness unfulfilled is misery. Don't expect anything. Be prepared for every situation. What can grief do to you? Which is true. If we keep faith in him, if we love him unconditionally with devotion, even though for instantly we might face trouble, but it is for sure we'll come out of it, because he is watching us and he is holding our hand. So I pray for everyone's well-being, and I wish all of you stay adhered to him, follow his discipline, follow his ideology, and make your life successful and happy as ever. So moving on, we'd like to have another Ishtoranashana from our SPR, Radhakrishna Sharmada from Netherlands.
গতির ভর্তা প্রভু কৃষ্ণ ঈশ্বর পুরুষোত্তম আব্রহ্মস্তম্ভ ভূধাতা সৎগুরুস্তম নমস্তুতে. मेरे अस्थि और बुद्धि के परम उद्धाता श्री श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र जी, परम आराध्या जगत जननी श्री श्री वर्मा, परम पूज्यपाद श्री श्री बड़ता, परम पूज्यपाद आचार्य देव श्री श्री दादा, पूज्यपाद बाबाईदा एवं समस्त गुरुजनों के चरणों में मेरा कोटि कोटि नमन। यहाँ पर उपस्थित सभी पांजाधारी कर्मी वृंद, गुरु भ्राता, मातृमंडली, छोटे छोटे बच्चे, उनके सपरिवार सभी का मंगल कामना करते हुए मैं फिर से श्री श्री ठाकुर के चरणों में अपना प्रणाम जनाता हूँ। एंड इंडीड अमियो भाई, it was such a moving jajan, I will not say jajan, self experience Nihal bhai just shared. I think I was also waiting to hear that from his own mouth beforehand, but somehow we couldn't connect and got this elaborate like description of this what he went through. But during he was in India and going through all this, I also came to know about his situation, and I never had a shred of doubt that something will happen to him. Because as you just said from Satyanusaran, as you just quoted, that what keeps on coming to our mind always, उनका मंगल इच्छा ही हमारे अंदर से पूर्ण हो। ठाकुर जी बोले हैं, सद्दीक्षा तुई एक्षुनि ने, इष्टतेता राख सम्प्रीति, मरण तारण एनाम जपे, काटेई अकाल जम भीति। जो ये नाम लेते हैं, ये बांग्ला में है, जो ये नाम लेते हैं उनको जम भीति भी नहीं डराता है। और ये हम अकेले निहार भाई नहीं, अब रामदा का भी स्टोरी सुने होंगे, एक लाइफ चेंजिंग एक्सपीरियंस हम लोगों के सबके साथ थोड़ा बहुत होता रहता है, उतना एक्सट्रीम नहीं होता है शायद, लेकिन होता रहता है। कुछ दिन पहले a few days back I was just explaining to Nihar bhai also how we went through a little bit of health transformation, because I was also detected with type 2 diabetes. So that's a very common thing. I should not be even mentioning about that because that's not a big thing or a very life-threatening thing, but it is still a thing that I want to emphasize, that we being the uphold, like we are trying to uphold the idea of being and becoming. How can we, that could be a fact that I came across this disease or this thing with health, but if we cannot overcome, then how can we tell the whole world about being and becoming? We have to be the beacon of that. And that's what Pujapad Acharya Dev and every Gurujan expects from us. Fight. Overcome. Go beyond this. You are better than everybody else. So that thing, how we get that, that's what Nihar bhai exactly mentioned. Acharya Dev Shishida. Their blessing. What makes us different in this whole world is the constant blessing we are getting from him. That's why Shri Thakur, I think, even he was all along a visionary, and he mentioned that Ushai Nishai Mantra Sadhan Cholai Ferai Job Jotha Shomoy Ishto Nirdesh Murto Karai To. ये जो बार बार हमको इष्ट निर्देश मिल रहा है, अभी आप देखे होंगे कि आचार्य देव पर्सनली इतना इंटरेस्ट लेके यूके के उत्सव के लिए बोले कि नहीं, सभी का एक्सपीरियंस उनको जानना है, हर किसी का. We all circle around immediately, just 2 weeks of time. You find any other example in the whole world, the project plan itself takes 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks, we delivered the project. Everybody, whoever in our contact, tried to submit their experiences in form of an article for the UK souvenir. That's what is top. And when we are in this path, there is no fear. संत कबीर जी का दुआ है, दुख में सुमिरन सब करे, सुख में करे ना कोई, सुख में सुमिरन जो करे, दुख काहे को होए. हमको डरने का ही नहीं है, हमको सोचने का भी नहीं है, बस स्मरण करते जाना है. और क्या करते जाना है? जो एसेंशियल पॉइंट निहाल भाई ने पहले बताया, आचार्य देव को खुश करना. इससे बड़ा गंतव्य, इससे बड़ा लक्ष्य हमारे जीवन का हो ही नहीं सकता है। और उनका खुशी उनके कुछ ही चीजों में नहीं है, हमारी खुशी में ही है। वो कभी अपने लिए कुछ नहीं मांगते हैं। हमारा तबीयत खराब होता है तो उनको दुख लगता है, इसीलिए हमको कोशिश भी करना चाहिए कि हमारा तबीयत खराब ना हो जाता है, हम इंसान हैं, हमसे हो जाता है, हम सभी से हो जाता है, किंतु हम भाग्यशाली भी हैं कि उनकी दया की वजह से हम उससे उभर भी पाते हैं। लेकिन हमेशा कोशिश करना चाहिए, जैसे मुझे पुण्य सिपाही लाने कुछ दिन पहले, देवाले ठेके के लिए हमरा अच्छी, पीठ जब दीवार पे लटक जाएगा, तुम व्हेन वॉल बिहाइंड यू, that's where we will be around you. But before that, do we have to always bother them with our petty things? No. We should be beyond that. We should be ensuring that 10 more people is getting from me also. I'm ensuring the livelihood or even being and becoming of people around me. आप अपने देश और देश सबके लिए उत्तरदायी हैं। वो कैसे हम कर सकते हैं? बहुत इजी है। उसके लिए मैं एक छोटा सा नैरेटिव बोलूंगा। एक बार क्या हुआ, एक क्लास में टीचर ने बहुत I will switch to English, sorry, I keep on forgetting. So there was a class where a bunch of kids were there, and the teacher brought a pack of balloons and he just distributed everyone. They were so colorful and everybody started blowing it, and then he asked to write down the name, everyone's name on the balloon, and they wrote it and then throw it in the hallway. They threw it. Then he asked, I give you 5 minutes, find your own balloon. Nobody could, just a chaos. Then he said, they were panting and they said, not possible. Then he said, I give you 2 minutes, find the balloon nearby you, check the name over there, give it to the person whose it is. And within 2 minutes, they managed to do that. Just compare that balloon with happiness. If you try to find everyone's happiness around you, you will find yours. It's pretty easy. ठाकुर जी ने वही बात सत्यानुसरण में बोली है, दूसरे की मंगल कामना ही अपने मंगल की प्रसूति है. The desire for others' good is your own good. इसी से ही शुरू हो जाता है. पूज्यपाद बाबाईदा एक बार एक स्टोरी बता रहे थे. वो ठाकुरबाड़ी से घर वापस आ रहे थे अपने वास स्थान में. Then he suddenly came across a lady, Amma, who requested or did nivedan, as we know, for another lady. And that's pretty normal. And he said, okay. But he was little curious that what made this lady to request or ask for someone else. And who's that? What's the connection between them? Generally, we tend to be always asking for ourselves. But he found out that that lady was no way connected to the other one. She was just on certain occasion happened to ride the rickshaw of the husband of that lady who's sick. And the rickshaw puller, that Dada, was pretty much in distress. He was not even dikshit or initiated, as we know. So she understood that she's really terminally ill and there is nothing they can afford, financially weak. So the only thing we know, which cures everything, be it financial, health, or anything, she took both of them to ashram, initiated both of them, and took the whole ownership to take care of her health, make her better. And that's why she was doing Nivedan. Babaida was very pleased. And he, I think, mentioned this story to all of us just to tell us how our life should be. Think out who's in our surrounding is in distress. There are so many people who are in distress. Many different ways. So if we connect with them, and by connecting them with Thakur, that's the only possible way they can come out of their distress, like we are coming out of our distress. So by doing that, essentially, we fulfill two things. We ensure our environment is connected with Thakur. Another thing is the ultimate goal for ourselves, the journey for ourselves, both that making Acharya Dev Shashi Dada happy by doing 3.5 crore initiation. These are the two perspectives you get in one go. So that's pretty easy. He has shown the destination, he has shown the path. And that will ensure that we are finally contributing to his happiness. I think I have taken enough time. With this, I again thank you, all of you, to giving me this opportunity. Though I never managed to go to UK, I always feel I'm there. Joy Guru.
Joy Guru Radhada. Thank you very much for such an insightful and thoughtful Alochana. You are always welcome to London, Satsang UK. Anytime, feel free to join us. Yes, whatever you discussed today, every word of it is very meaningful and touchy as well. And you are right that in our day-to-day life, whoever, all of us, whoever has taken initiation and attached to it Sri Sri Thakur, in our day-to-day life, something definitely happens. And we come out of it. But the thing is, we never give a thought to it once we overcome it. We thought it is a coincidence, but when we come out of it, we realize, yes, it was his blessing. It was his mercy. The matter of fact is, he always watching us very closely because he loves us. In spite of whether we love him or not, whether we are attached with him or not, how much deep our devotion, whether it is light or heavy, whether it is deep or it is sound. So he's always with us. So as you rightly mentioned, we should stay attached with him, follow his ideology to make ourselves a good asset to ourselves, our family, and to the society as a whole. And at the same time, we should try our best effort to bring little cheer on Pujyapal Sri Sri Acharya Dev's face. And we all should endeavor to fulfill his wish. Joy Guru Dada, thank you for your time. Thank you very much. We all pray for your well-being, for your families, good health, happiness, and prosperity. Thank you. So, though we are running out of time, but satsang without a kirtan never completes. So, with us today, Manoranjan Subhidi Bhai from Petersburg, please offer your kirtan.
So I will try my best to offer a Oriya Kirtan first time. I never used to do the Kirtan. I will try my best. Jai Guru. Marona marona banchi banchao ei shapatho niyori. Marona marona banchi banchao ei shapatho niyori. Marana dara ruda kari, marana dara ruda kari, panchi bapati chalare. Marana marana banchi banchao, ei chapato niyare. Marana marana banchi banchao, ei chapato niyare. Arja santana utati ai, samata rajani jayati pai. Arja santana utati ai, samata rajani jayati pai. Vishya jana kare avana, বিশ্বজনক করে আহ্বান, বিশ্বজনক করে আহ্বান, আদর্শ মশাল ধর রে, আদর্শ মশাল ধর রে। মরণ মরণ বঞ্চি বঞ্চাও এই শপথ নিয় রে, মরণ মরণ বঞ্চি বঞ্চাও এই শপথ নিয় রে। সত্যধম প্রেম অমৃত বাণী প্রবতন কর হইয় গণি, সত্যধম প্রেম হইয় গণি, প্রবতন কর হইয় গ্রহণী। দৌত কর দিন আবিল প্রাণ, দৌত কর দিন আবিল প্রাণ, দৌত কর দিন আবিল প্রাণ। প্রেম মন্দাকিনী দ্বার রে, প্রেম মন্দাকিনী দ্বার রে। মরণ মরণ বঞ্চি বঞ্চাও এই শপথ নিয় রে, মরণ মরণ বঞ্চি বঞ্চাও এই শপথ নিয় রে। উত্তল তরঙ্গে করি গর্জন, অগ্নিস্ফুলিঙ্গে ভূয়োদ্গণ, উত্তল তরঙ্গে করি গর্জন, অগ্নিস্ফুলিঙ্গে ভূয়োদ্গীর্ণ। সার্থক কর জীবন, সার্থক কর আলিক জীবন, সার্থক কর আলিক জীবন। সত্য সাধনা পথরে, সত্য সাধনা পথরে। মরণ মরণ বঞ্চি বঞ্চাও এই শপথ নিয় রে, মরণ মরণ বঞ্চি বঞ্চাও এই শপথ নিয় রে। ভয় নাই ভয় দিয়ে ডাক, পরম পিতার বাজে শুভে শঙ্খ। ভয় নাই ভয় দিয়ে ডাক, পরম পিতার বাজে শুভ শঙ্খ। নির্ভীক ভুব নির্ভর কর, নির্ভীক ভুব নির্ভর কর, নির্ভীক ভুব নির্ভর কর। মৃত্যু সঞ্জীবনী মন্ত্রে, মৃত্যু সঞ্জীবনী মন্ত্রে। মরণ মরণ বঞ্চি বঞ্চাও এই শপথ নিয় রে, মরণ মরণ বঞ্চি বঞ্চাও এই শপথ নিয় রে। অজ্ঞান অন্ধার দিয়ে বঞ্চাই, দুঃখ যত না দিয়ে ভৌরাই। অজ্ঞান অন্ধার দিয়ে বঞ্চাই, দুঃখ যত না দিয়ে ভৌরাই। দারিদ্র হেউ চির নিবাসিত, দারিদ্র হেউ চির নিবাসিত, দারিদ্র হেউ চির নিবাসিত। প্রেম সুন্দরী গাধরে, প্রেম সুন্দরী নাদরে। মরণ মরণ বঞ্চি বঞ্চাও এই শপথ নিয় রে, মরণ মরণ বঞ্চি বঞ্চাও এই শপথ নিয় রে। মরণ দ্বার রুদ্ধ করি, মরণ দ্বার রুদ্ধ করি, বঞ্চি বপতি চল রে। মরণ মরণ বঞ্চি বঞ্চাও এই শপথ নিয় রে, মরণ মরণ বঞ্চি বঞ্চাও এই শপথ নিয় রে। জয়
Jai Guru Subodhi. So nice. You said you are singing first time, but it seems you have practiced a lot. It was an excellent offering, Subodhi. Great. Very nice. Very energetic. I think everyone, all of us started zooming, started zooming. Very nice. Excellent. Excellent. Thank you very much, Subodhi, for a nice offering. I hope it touches everyone as it also touches Sri Sri Thakur. We pray for your well-being, good health, and success in life. So we'll go for Dhoni now.
Purushottamam
Bande Purushottamam.
Bande Purushottamam
Bande Purushottamam.
Bande Purushottamam
Bande Purushottamam.
परम प्रेममय श्री श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र जी की परम प्रेममय श्री श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र जी की परम प्रेममय श्री श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र जी की परम आराध्या जगत जननी श्री श्री वर्मा की परम आराध्या जगत जननी श्री श्री वर्मा की परम आराध्या जगत जननी श्री श्री वर्मा की परम पूजापाद्य द्वाचार्य श्री श्री बरदा की परम पूजापाद्य द्वाचार्य श्री श्री बरदा की परम पूजापाद्य द्वाचार्य श्री श्री बरदा की परम पूजापाद्य आचार्य देव श्री श्री दादा की परम पूजापाद्य आचार्य देव श्री श्री दादा की परम पूजापाद्य आचार्य देव श्री श्री दादा की सत्संग की सत्संग की सत्संग की सतनाम की सीता माता की वंदे पुरुषोत्तमम
Bande Purushottamam.
वंदे आर्य पितृम
Bande Arjupitrim.
वंदे मातृवर्गम
Bande Matrivargam.
वंदे कृष्टि दैवतम
Bande Kristi Devatam.
वंदे पुरुषोत्तमम
Bande Purushottamam.
वंदे पुरुषोत्तमम
Bande Purushottamam.
परम प्रेममय श्री श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्र जी की परम दयाल श्री श्री ठाकुर अनुकूल चंद्रेर 134तम जन्म दिवस की